Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to install Kafka, but not only in the Windows by using the WSL2, because installing Kafka and running the Kafka on the Windows will have several issues. So we'll discuss that issues later. But for now, let's focus on the practical things. So first of all, the first step is to install this WSL2. So write this command WSL dash install. So it will take a few minutes to install. So the benefit of this WSL2, it's like we are through the CMD I'm installing the virtual machine platform. It's like WSL2 means Windows subsystem for Linux. There is a kernel created in Windows 10 or above version for running the Linux. So it is done. Now I have to reboot my system. Okay, after rebooting, when I open and again, so it will ask me my username. Once I entered my username, so the next thing is to create a password, and this is done. Now you can see I'm inside the Ubuntu environment. And the next step is to disable this IP version 6 because it can cause some issues for running the Kafka. So I will be just copying and paste this command. Another one. Let's copy this and paste it. Yes. Now the third step is to install the Java JDK. Without Java, we cannot run the Apache Kafka. So the next step is to just copy this command and paste it. The JDK will be installed in just few seconds. Yeah, you see it is downloading and installing from all the URLs that it has been shown. Yeah, it's done. Now we can check the version of the Java by writing the command java space -version, and we can see that this is our Java version. Now the fourth step is to install Apache Kafka. So I will be going to this download page of the Apache Kafka and will download the latest version. So this is and we have to make sure we are downloading the binary downloads. So I will be copying the address of this and will paste it here with the wget command and will paste the URL. So in a few minutes it will install it. Okay, after the successfully download, now we can see the file is downloaded. Now we have to extract this file, so I'll be writing this command tarxzf and this file name, and this will extract. Now you see this is our Kafka directory that is in the blue color. So I'll be just copying this and we'll go into this directory by writing the command cd and this directory name, and inside there is a bin folder. So I'll be going into the bin folder where we have a lot of by writing ls I will see all the files there. Yeah, so that means we're going in the right direction. In the bin file, all these things are, all this sh file should be there. Now it's time to write the command. All right, when I'm typing the Kafka topic.sh, it was giving me the error command not found. Okay, my bad. Actually I was in the bin directory, so I have to write this // and then Kafka topic, so it will give me all these things. That means Kafka is running perfectly. Now I will clear the screen and will write it again to show you. /Kafka topic sh. Yeah, here you go. It's working. Now I will go into this directory, and inside the bin just I will go back, and now I will try to write this command outside the directory and outside the bin, so it will give me the same error. So what I will do, I will set a globally environment variable path, export path, and this bin file path there. I will enter it. Now it is set. Now if I try this command, so from outside the directory I can also write this command now. The next thing is to run the zookeeper. So we'll go for the zookeeper command. First of all, I'll go inside the bin and write the ls. We'll check, yeah, this is zookeeper. So I have a command right here. So I'll be just changing the Kafka version here. My Kafka version that I downloaded is this one, and I'll be copying this, paste it right here, and the rest of the command will be same. So the command is zookeeper-server-start.sh, and the Kafka version and rest of the thing I'll copy and paste it right here, and my zookeeper is started running. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, then like, share and subscribe. I see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.